What is that? It's a
water.
What is this? Like this one. What is this?
Oh.
It's a keyboard. Keyboard ni Mommy. Yes. Keyboard ni Kuya. O kaya ni Mommy. O kaya ni Ate. Oh, can you know this one? What is this?
Yeah.
This is letters or numbers?
Numbers.
Oh, this one.
Letters.
Oh, very good. This one.
Letters.
Oh, ano to? Kaya ano to?
Yeah.
Your name or your not name?
It's my name.
Yes, your name. Oh, can you trace the ano?
Okay.
Can you trace color? Pili ka ng color dito. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, pili ka ng color. Come on.
Oh, my color.
Pili ka na ng color, dali.
Pick.
Numbers. Number. What number is this?
1.
Oh, color mo nga.
Okay, red.
Oh, this one pa mamaya ka na magta-type kasi hindi pa ano. Pag ganyan, pag ganyan. Pag ganyan ang muna. Ganyan. Next number.
2.
Sige, mamaya na natin i-clean yan. Sige na, go. Dito may ilagay yung ano. Color ka pa.
I made 2.
What color do you want sa number 2?
Orange.
Go.
Orange.
Very good. Next. What number is this?
3.
Put na. Anong color gusto mo?
Green. Yes, it's green. Here the green.
Very good. Next. Ang 4, ganito yung 4 Ganito yung color ng 4 Ganito mag-write ng 4. Ganyan no. Wait a minute. Ganito magsulat ng 4 Ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos, ganyan. Okay pa?
Okay.
You ano na. Trace the number 4. What color do you want?
Purple.
Ganyan na. Small. Tapos higa. Tapos down. Yan. Go. Give me. Down. Very good. Number 5. Ganito mag-write ng number 5
Okay.
Dyan. Tapos half circle. Tapos nakahigang line. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Try mo na to. Anong number to?
5.
Go. Ganun yung mag-write yung ginawa ko Okay po. What?
Choose black.
Okay. Hayaan mo lang si Carby. No. I said ganito, Look at mommy. Down. Tapos circle. Tapos higa.
Down.
Down. Tapos circle. Then, dito ka mag-start ganyan. Di mo kasi pinapansin yung sinusulat ni mommy. Next. Anong number to?
6.
Ganito mag-write ng 6, Ganyan, Dire-diretso, Dire-diretso, ganyan, okay? Do not stop. Okay?
Okay.
What color do you want?
Blue. E.
Diretso. Very good. Next. What letter is this?
7.
7. Ganito naman mag-write.
7.
Yes, this one. Ganito naman mag-write ng 7, ha? Wait, erase ko muna to.
Wait.
Ah, ganito mag-write ng 7. 7, okay?
Okay.
Look at mommy, dear. Sa board ka tumingin. Oh, pahiga, tapos pababa, tapos may kamay siya, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go.
My hair.
Yes. Oh, anong color gusto mo?
I choose yellow.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Oh, pababa, pahiga. Pababa muna ah. Pababa, then very good. Oh, ano to? Anong next na letter ay numbers? This one?
8.
Oh, color mo nga yung 8.
Yeah. I choose. Wow.
Ganito mag-write ng 8, ha? Ganito mag-write ng 8. Look at mommy. Small circle,
Small circle.
then big circle. Okay?
No more color.
Yeah, no. Wala na. Wala na. No, okay, game na. Bili na lang si mami. Small. Big. Very good. Oh, next. Anong number to?
8.
8 to 8. 9.
9.
Oh, tingnan mo to, oh.
Mommy.
9.
There's 9.
Yes. Oh,
9.
nakalimutan mo na naman porkit di tayo nagna-numbers. Oh, game mo na to.
I want yeah. Pink. This is pink.
Pink? Okay. Ouchie! Okay. It's okay po. Up. Dire-diretso. Very good. Oh, next number. Ano tong number na to? This is not a letter, ah. Number to. What number to?
Oh.
No! This is the O, if letters.
8.
Ito, 0.
0.
Oh, 0. No 0 dito.
Yeah.
No, that is number 10. That is not 0. 0 only. Wala yung 1, oh. Oh, what color ang ano?
Oh, there's 0.
Yes, pero 10 yan kasi may 1 siya sa... Oh, game na. You color na.
Oh, she's sure.
Yes. Color mo na na yung 0. Any color na na.
It is blue. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Ah! Oh, yeah.
Very good. Very good! Yay! Konti na lang. Oh, count nga tayo. Count nga tayo. Count. Okay?
Okay.
What is this?
1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 8.
Oh, 8 ba yan? It's 4.
4, 8, 5.
Oh, yan. Di na naman niya maalala. 10.
10.
Oh, this one.
Oh, 6.
9. Ay, apo. Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan? Ay, naku, Kabe. Look at Kabe, 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 Kabe. Look ka kay Mami. Look, Kabe.